This next one is called happy screen laughter. So you're going to look at your screen and you're going to squirt it with some laughter water. Ha, 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 ha. And then you're going to clean the screen with laughter. You can do this on your phones, you could do this on your computer screen or your television screen. If it was a big screen in front of you, you're cleaning your screen, you're going to squirt, 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 and you're going to go ha ha ha. Maybe use two cloths, huh? If it's a big screen, Oh, clean that screen, clean that window. Clean it with laughter, and then it's very clean. It's so much brighter. Oh, it's so much brighter. So we're going to take some deep breaths in. Big circles. And the other way, from the outside in, open up your chest, get plenty of air into your lungs. Breathe in. Bye-bye.